Want to turn your spare time into real money? Let's explore how. Imagine earning an extra $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per month from the comfort of your own home. That's the power of passive income. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 online passive income streams that have the potential to transform your financial life. We'll dive deep into each method, exploring the earning potential, the steps to get started, and the strategies you can use to maximize your profits. Affiliate marketing is like having your own online sales force without actually managing a team. You simply recommend products or services you love using unique referral links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you're not limited by inventory, shipping, or customer service. Your focus is on driving traffic to your affiliate links, which can be done through a website, blog, social media, or even email marketing. The earning potential in affiliate marketing is virtually limitless. Print on demand is like having your own online merchandise store without the hassle of inventory management or shipping logistics. Imagine the freedom of not having to worry about stocking up on products, dealing with unsold inventory, or managing a warehouse. Instead, you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing designs that people will love. With print on demand, you create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or other products, and a third-party company handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. This means you don't have to invest in expensive printing equipment or learn the intricacies of shipping logistics. The third-party service takes care of all that for you, allowing you to concentrate on your creative process. You earn a profit on each sale, and the best part is, you only pay for the product when a customer places an order. This business model significantly reduces financial risk because you don't have to purchase large quantities of stock up front. Instead, you can test different designs and products to see what sells best without a significant initial investment. One of the most appealing aspects of print on demand is its minimal daily effort once you've set up your designs and integrated them with a print on demand platform. After the initial setup, your store can run almost on autopilot. Orders come in, the third-party service fulfills them, and you collect the profits. This allows you to generate passive income while focusing on other projects or even enjoying more free time. You can spend your time creating new designs, marketing your products, or even outsourcing certain tasks like social media management. Effective marketing can significantly boost your sales, and outsourcing can free up more of your time to focus on design and strategy. You can use social media platforms, email marketing, and even paid advertising to reach a broader audience and drive more traffic to your store. To succeed in print on demand, you need to tap into your creativity and identify trending niches or designs that resonate with your target audience. Researching current trends and understanding what your audience is looking for can give you a competitive edge. Whether it's a popular meme, a seasonal theme, or a unique artistic style, finding the right niche can make your product stand out and attract more customers. Building a loyal customer base is also crucial. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and share their purchases on social media. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly enhance your store's reputation and attract new customers. Engaging with your audience through social media and email newsletters can also help build a community around your brand. Regularly analyzing your sales data can provide valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. Use this information to adjust your strategies, improve your designs, and optimize your marketing efforts. Staying adaptable and responsive to market trends can help you stay ahead of the competition and continuously grow your business. Ultimately, print on demand offers a sustainable business model that can lead to long-term success. By focusing on creativity, effective marketing, and customer satisfaction, you can build a thriving online store that generates passive income and allows you to pursue your passion for design. Online courses offer a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and share your knowledge with a global audience. Whether you're an expert in photography, cooking, coding, or personal finance, you can package your knowledge into an online course and sell it repeatedly. The beauty of online courses lies in their scalability. Once you've created the course content, you can sell it to an unlimited number of students, generating passive income for months or even years to come. To create a successful online course, start by identifying your niche expertise and validating your course idea. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you forward the order details to your dropshipping supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for you to handle inventory, manage shipping, or invest heavily in upfront costs. One of the most attractive aspects of dropshipping is its low initial investment. You don't need to purchase inventory upfront, so you can start your online store with minimal capital. Blogging allows you to share your passion, connect with a global audience, and generate passive income through various monetization methods. Whether you're passionate about travel, food, fashion, or personal finance, you can create a blog around your interests and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or even selling your own products or services. One of the most appealing aspects of blogging is its global reach. With a well-designed website and engaging content, you can attract readers from all over the world, expanding your potential audience and income streams. Unlike a traditional brick-and-mortar business, your blog isn't limited by geographical boundaries. If you have a passion for photography, selling stock photos online can be a lucrative way to turn your hobby into a passive income stream. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo offer platforms for photographers of all levels to showcase their work and earn royalties every time their photos are downloaded. Technological advancements in cameras and editing software have made it easier than ever to capture high-quality images. Whether you're using a professional DSLR camera or even a smartphone, you can capture stunning photos that have the potential to sell repeatedly on stock photography websites. To maximize your earnings from stock photography, focus on capturing in-demand subjects like business, technology, travel, and lifestyle. Social media has become a powerful tool for connecting with others, building communities, and even generating income. As a social media influencer, you can leverage your online presence to promote brands, products, or services that align with your values and interests. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, there are various ways to monetize your influence and turn your passion into profit. Building a loyal following on social media takes time, effort, and authenticity. Focus on creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience, interact with your followers, and be transparent about your partnerships. Self-publishing has made it easier than ever for aspiring authors to share their stories, knowledge, or expertise with the world. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, you can publish your ebook without the need for a traditional publishing house, giving you full control over your content and pricing. Writing an ebook can be a creatively fulfilling endeavor that allows you to share your unique perspective, knowledge, or experiences with a global audience. Whether you're passionate about fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or any other genre, there's an audience eager to read your work. To write a successful ebook, start by outlining your content, conducting thorough research, and crafting compelling chapters that keep readers engaged. YouTube has become a global phenomenon, offering entertainment, education, and even income opportunities for creators worldwide. If you enjoy creating videos, sharing your knowledge, or entertaining others, starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding way to express your creativity and potentially earn passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. One of the most appealing aspects of YouTube is its relatively simple legal framework. Unlike traditional media, where broadcasting rights can be complex and expensive, YouTube offers a relatively straightforward way to share your content with the world, with minimal legal hurdles. To start a successful YouTube channel, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, invest in quality audio and video equipment, and create engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Real estate crowdfunding platforms have democratized real estate investing, making it accessible to a wider range of individuals, even those without substantial capital. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to fund real estate projects, allowing you to invest in properties with lower minimum investments and potentially earn passive income through rental income or property appreciation. Real estate crowdfunding offers a way to diversify your investment portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Real estate is a tangible asset that can provide a hedge against inflation and generate long-term growth potential. Before investing in any real estate crowdfunding platform, conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and carefully evaluate the track record of the platform and the specific projects available for investment. There you have it, the top 10 online passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, you don't have to jump into all of them at once. Start with one that excites you the most, master it, and then explore others as you feel more comfortable. The most important step is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start building your financial freedom today.